The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how service providers are to review and approve requests for services on campus. These requests can be accessed under the icon Manage Services. Click here and you have a few options. You can choose the status of the event. You can choose the state of the service that they're requesting. You can choose start dates and end dates. So if you're only wanting to see from a certain time period, you can select that here. So I'm going to do from today to the end of the year. You want to choose all buildings and then choose your category here. For the purposes of this demonstration, we're going to use publications and printing. Here it's going to show you all reservations that are requesting a service from Pub and Print. There's a few options here. You can open the reservation if you want to see more details about the event. You can change the state. You can change it to approved, denied, pending additional information, or pending review. So if you just say you want to go in and you want to see more information about what the reservation is, you can click here, click the top level here, and it's going to give you the reservation summary. It's going to give you the point of contact, their information. If you click edit, it's going to provide you with their email address if you need to contact them. There's comments, so if there are other service providers that want to add comments here, or the venue approvers need to add comments, this is where you view those. There's attachments that are associated with the reservations here. The user-defined fields are the questions and answers that they do through the web app about the reservation. And here shows a history of the reservation. So to click the service, after you review the details about the reservation, to click your service, you're going to click here, and here's what they're requesting. So this reservation is requesting a yard sign with stand. After you reach out to them and you want to confirm, you're going to click here for edit, and you can click more instructions. So if it needs to be delivered at a certain time, or if you want to put more instructions on what they're asking, put those here. And to approve this, you're going to go back to this level right here. You're going to click here, click edit, and you can choose your status here: approved, denied, pending additional information, and pending review. To recap this video, you click Manage Services, choose the start date and end date of the times in which you want to look for the service orders, make sure to select all buildings, choose your category, choose the event status that you want to review, and choose the state. So click here for all, and it's going to show you those. Here are events that have been requested and confirmed. Choose the dates to whatever range you would like. Click refresh, and here's the events. To review the event, you click open and to see more details, or you can change the state here. If you already know that you're going to approve this or that you need additional information, change directly here.